Hey guys, I'm here again to beg you, please. Akanchawa Baddie season 2 is now showing on Lilian Afegbai TV on YouTube. All you need to do is type Lilian Afegbai TV and then you see it, or just type Akanchawa Baddie season 2. And you can also type the episode so you don't get carried to the next one. Trust me, I know there's a lot of glitch here and there, but we tried. I tried to bring out 13 episodes for you guys, so enjoy, have a good laugh. Guys, it's an amazing series, not even because it's mine or whatever. It's good acting, it's great storyline, laughter. You would have a good laugh, I promise you. Please guys, spread the word, click the link in my bio. Please just support. I beg. I know if you cry, I know if you dance, I beg.
Agent, that Akanchawa Baddie don't blow. Enter transport come, I'll pay. Come meet me for where I stay. Level don't change, oh.
Olosi, Oniranu, you will not get money. You won't pay for my taxi. Where you want to see the money?
Come first, may you see now. Wait till you want chop me for order before you come.
Abala mulani. Akanchawa. Waiting me I go shop.
Agent, they tell you Akanchawa Baddie don't become millionaire with ease. Money they splurge.
Akanchawa Baddie. Osa. You don't blow. Hey, you don't go do it, buddy.
I tell you now. I beg you come here. So that you help me now. You and one contract me. You help me look for that my house for Banana Island. I don't trust all these other agents for streets.
Baddie, you just wait for me. Go faraburuku ebale. You hear what I tell you so. Faraburuku ebale. Go say pan for where you dey. No go anywhere. I dey come. No.
Oh yeah, the call. Send you my location.
Send down me, Baddie. Baddie say osa. Baddie say osa. Mommy, you don't blow.
Da cha.
I don't blow.
Go tell you get away because someday jealous, but no lose focus. It's hopes and no grief for anybody.